When I went to get my hair cut over the summer, it was around the 4th of July, and I noticed this recipe in the family circle. So I went home and I looked it up and I thought, you know what? This sounds like an interesting recipe, so I want to try it. So turn your oven on to 200 degrees and line a pan with parchment paper. The recipe asks for 8 egg whites, but I'm going to half the recipe and I'm going to use 4 egg whites. The recipe also says to heat the sugar with the egg over some simmering water, and this did not work out for me at all. And my first batch were pretty bad and a big failure. So I tried again, and this time I'm going to make the meringues a little bit differently. I just looked up another recipe, and you just blend the eggs until high peaks form, and then you add caster sugar just a little at a time until it's nice and thick and fluffy. The recipe has a 4th of July theme, so it says to add some food coloring to the top of the meringue, because when you stir it around, it's supposed to make some stripes. So I'm stirring it around just enough to get it where the colors are striped. The recipe also says to place blobs of this meringue on parchment paper about a half a cup in size. So I'm just guessing about a half a cup. This is probably a little bit less. Meringues are supposed to be light and fluffy, so these are pretty fluffy. We'll see what they look like when we cook them up. Put them in the oven for 2 hours at 200 degrees. All right, we're going to use this stuff right here. All right, I'm going to put it between, we're making a meringue sandwich. And I'm going to put it between these 2 meringues. There we go. What do you think?
Pretty awful.
We're like, oh, wait. Yeah. Oh. See how they turn out. Honey, try this. What do you think? Does it taste good?
I like sorbet.
Yeah, I think the idea was there, but I don't think it really is something that somebody would make ever again. Thanks for watching.